Hello everyone, I am Vishal, and in this video I will talk about what is inheritance and what type of inheritance is supported by our Java classes. So let's get started. So coming upon our first point, what is inheritance? So inheritance means something which we inherit from our parents. Let's say we have let's take an example. We inherit some properties from our parents. It may be some genetics or genes or other stuff. So we basically inheriting the properties from our parents. So in our Java same thing happens. We have a super class and a child class. So child class will extend super class. It will mean that child class is inheriting the properties from the super class or parent class. So this is inheritance, and let's talk about what are the types of inheritance and are they supported by our Java classes or not. So our first inheritance is single inheritance, in which a child is inheriting from a single parent. So this is basically a single inheritance, and it is supported by Java classes. So let's take an example. We have a class A and class B. So class B is extending class A. So basically it is class B is inheriting from class A. So this is possible in Java. And let's talk about another inheritance type, that is multi-level inheritance. Here we can say that a class is inheriting from another class, and that class is inheriting from another class. So here let's take an example. We have a class A, class B, and class C. So class C is inheriting from class B, and class B is inheriting from class A. So this type of inheritance is possible in a Java program. So coming upon our next inheritance type, that is hierarchical inheritance, in which a parent class is a super class of another two or more child classes. uh, talking about uh, uh, Talking about an example, we have class A, class B, and class C. So class B is extending class A, means class B is inheriting class A, and class C is also extending class A. So class B and C are both extending class A. So this is called hierarchical inheritance, and this is also possible in Java classes. So coming upon our next inheritance, so inheritance type is multiple inheritance. Uh, le- it basically means that a class is extending two or more classes. It means a child class is inheriting from two or more parent class. So this is not possible in our Java classes. In Java class level, let's take an example: class A and class B. So we have a class C also, and class C is extending class A as well as class B. So this is not possible in our Java program. I will tell you why it is not possible. Because what will happen, inheritance means basically something getting properties from the parent. So let's say parent have a class run, and another class also having a method run. So if a class C will extend two or more classes and they have the same method, so it will be complicated to child class that which method should he run, the which parent method should he run. So this complexity arise. Uh, so Java people don't allow the multiple inheritance in class level to avoid these such complexities. So this is not allowed in Java class level. So I will talk about one another inheritance, that is hybrid inheritance. It is same as multiple inheritance, but it is also not supported in our Java class level. So these are the types of inheritance, and I hope you got the clarity what is inheritance and which type of inheritance is supported by Java, and why some inheritance is not possible, or why some inheritance type is not possible in Java class level. So that's from my side. I hope you got it. Thank you, everybody.